Let's continue the story further. A shopkeeper noticed him standing there day after day. Finally, he went over to talk to John. Children, as you know, John had waited on London Bridge for 2 to 3 days. So, a shopkeeper came and he asked him, I see that you are not begging or selling anything. The shopkeeper said, What are you doing? Why are you here? Begging means to ask for something, like for money or for clothes. So the shopkeeper asked John that you are neither begging nor you are selling. What are you doing here? I dreamed that I would hear joyful news on London Bridge. John answered honestly. John told him very honestly that he had dreamt that if he stands on London Bridge, he will hear a joyful news. The shopkeeper laughed. What a fool you are! I can't believe you traveled here and wasted these days standing around all because of a dream? I would never do such a thing. The shopkeeper found it funny that John had traveled from England to London just because he saw a dream. In fact, the shopkeeper continued. Last night, I dreamed that I was in a village in Norfolk, a place I have never been before. Now the shopkeeper tells about his dream, that he was in a village in Norfolk, a place he had never been before. Means he had never seen that village in Norfolk. In my dream, I went to an orchard behind a peddler's house and dug under a huge oak tree. There, I found a great treasure. But do you think I am foolish enough to travel to that village in Norfolk just because of a dream? The shopkeeper laughed again. He started laughing again after he had told his dream to John. Now let's read about his dream again. He went to an orchard. Orchard is a land with fruit trees. Behind a peddler's house. He went to an orchard behind a peddler's house and dug under a huge oak tree. There he found a great treasure. Treasure means precious metals, jewels, gems, etc. But do you think I am foolish enough to travel to that village in Norfolk just because of a dream? The shopkeeper asked John, like the way you did, you came all the way from England to London. Do you think I will do the same just because I saw in my dream? The shopkeeper laughed. He found it funny again.